Hello, welcome back to JJ Natural Science. What is our topic today? Let me see. It's about rain. Do you know what is rain? Rain is the primary source of most of the fresh water in the world. So why rains happen? It's because water droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and then fall under gravity becomes rain. How does rain happen? First, rain made up of tiny water droplets, and droplets grow. When they become too heavy, they fall to the ground and become rain. Have you ever wondered about the condensation process? Let's go and see. What is the condensation? Condensation is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. And now it's playtime. Let's read the play rules first. Write your answer in a piece of paper. For each question, you have 5 questions to answer. Each correct answer you have 1 point. Let's see if you have all the 3 points. Which one is rain? What is the raindrop icon? I'm born from clouds, a cascade from above. Sometime a sprinkle, a delgy I shove. I dance on rooftops and soak the plain. Yet quenching first I am in nature's refrain. What am I? Let's see your score. What is your score? Leave in the comment below for us to know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.